I had not been able to consider doing my own retreat in the way that I've just done it without Amelia and Foti. There's no way I could have done that. I couldn't have found the people, and I couldn't have had the confidence to do the retreat without their guidance. The coaching was super helpful. Honestly, I could not have done this without the coaching program. I think what surprised me was just the generosity that, I could contact Amelia at any time. Sometimes when you're just starting the journey, you go up and down, and sometimes I'd feel a bit apprehensive about something. And I always just felt that I could message Amelia and she would always, respond, and they were just there. I think that surprised me about the coaching. It wasn't just you being left out there or you have to attend coaching calls with, lots of people as on some of the other coaching programs that I have done in the past. So I love that it's very personal. That's been very special. And of course, there's lots of knowledge within the program that you can tap into. So yeah, I think the most surprising thing is that it was just very personal. So that was amazing, and I thank you very much. I have struggled with other businesses in the selling department, and I've kind of just given up because I didn't think that I could sell. And Amelia said right from the beginning, I'll get you over that, don't worry about it. And you think, yeah, okay, we'll see. And she did it, and it ended up being such a beautiful experience. I don't feel fearful at all about the selling aspect, and it's been such a wonderful experience because I've had so many amazing conversations with women, and I've made great connections just through the sales calls. I've overcome this notion that I have to have a partner to do this. I can do this by myself, and I think that suits me better. So I'm really happy about that. Just a belief that this is a possibility. So it's fabulous because I really do have a new lease of life now, and I really am excited about the future, and having been felt lost and recently and not really sure what my calling was anymore, and now I found it and here I am, and it's really, really happy about that. You get a huge list and a wealth of knowledge, and you will be able to definitely see a future to do more retreats once you've got one under your belt. I cannot recommend Amelia and Foti enough. Just don't let this hold you back, because it's huge. Where this is going to go is going to be huge.